was sent this set of magnetic toolbox labels. I'm going to ask you my opinion on it, make this short video. You're going to get 11 different magnetic labels in this kit. Some are a little wider than others, depending on the length of the word. These are really well made. You can see that it's like a embossed. It's actually sticking up the metal. And this has got a metal feel to it. It's not plastic. On the front cover of all the magnets. And here's just some of the items you're going to get. Start off here with sockets. It's got a metal label with a magnet glued to the back of it. Sockets, miscellaneous, drill bits, hex keys or wrenches, pliers, ratchets. I love the way they've done these. It's just kept it simple, so that'll apply to a lot of different scenarios. You know, basic types of tools that everybody might have in their toolbox. And then on this side here, with the longer words, got your electrical, power tools, hand tools, and screwdrivers. So overall, really cool set. Let's see what they look like on my toolbox. Here we go. It's just some great wrenches, sockets, electrical, drill bits, miscellaneous, whatever you need to throw in the drawer, screwdrivers. Real easy to just stick them on there. Just go like this. And they're on there. They're perfect. They look great. It's really a good looking set. Hey, I hope that helps. Have a great day.